Here's what I would do if I was starting a business from scratch. I would build an intentional content marketing strategy. Let me show you mine. You need to get people to know you before they can like you, before they can trust you, before they can buy from you. To get people to know me, I create original content like this on TikTok, and then I repurpose it to IG Reels and YouTube Shorts. I look at metrics like reach, impressions, views, and I know they're ready to go to the next step when they follow me. Once people like me, I still use TikTok content, but I also create IG posts, longer YouTube videos, Twitter, and I look at engagement metrics like comments, shares, saves, and I know they're ready to move to the next step when they visit my website. Now that people trust me and we have a relationship, I can share more about my free newsletter, my Google Ads course, my coaching and teaching, and other ways they can interact with me and get me to help them grow their business. I look at metrics like calendar views or pricing page views, and I know they're ready to move to the next step when they reach out and contact me. That helps them get ready to buy from me. And so I measure success there with things like conversion rate, and revenue. Remember, people don't just wake up ready to buy from you. They have to start at the top, and you have to earn the right for them to move through each stage. For some people, they can do that in a matter of minutes. Others, it takes months. If this is your first time seeing me and you like this content, go ahead and hit that follow button. If you want to steal my content marketing template, you can grab it for free at the link in my bio.